You do these 3 for 10 bucks?
Yep.
Only the control knob doesn't work. $3. But you'd need a control knob.
Oh,
Which I don't know what, yeah.
Oh, okay, that's how you This is fine?
Let me ask him that, is that long, electrical plug-in thing? Okay to sell for 5? They got several things. Should put a note right on that thing.
Yeah.
You know?
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good.
What's that thing you've got on there?
Camera, yeah.
Oh, cool.
Little GoPro. What's this say here? Can't really read it.
$25.
$25 or cents? Okay. Is it just a charger?
I don't even know what it is.
I think it's a charger for like a laptop.
Oh, yeah, I have no idea.
Okay, well, that's fine. I just wasn't. That's why I was.
A laptop, so.
Cause it looked like it said. Yeah.
Oh no, this is a Dell. Yeah.
Yeah,
what we
it's
have, I
interesting.
think, is a Dell.
Yeah. That's okay. Yeah, I just thought it might say a quarter.
Yeah.
Couldn't tell.
His writing wasn't really very good. Try to get it from the office. Well, let me ask him, how much longer? How much longer will you be?
Are they?
Yeah, well,
I can make 2 trips.
yeah. He's just gonna grab those balls.
Oh, okay.
Let's bucket.
That's a lot of balls.
Yeah.
Oh, you got it. I didn't see that nice picture pole there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, you need to spend more time looking.
I know. Things are slipping my mind here.
Yeah.
Want these two? 10 bucks? 5 and 5?
Okay. I'll start rearranging my money or I'm gonna lose it.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Doing good. How about you?
Good. How much is this little guy?
Well, I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Like a buck?
Huh?
$1?
Oh,
Would you $1?
$1 is really a little less. I was just about to say 5.
Oh.
You know, I mean, it's still working. It's fine.
Do you have any of the little tapes or no?
No, I don't.
Okay. Okay, 5?
Yeah.
Maybe. I'm thinking.
Okay.
That's cool. Coffee and tea. You from Germany?
Yeah.
There's a little tea press thing.
Yeah. Coffee or tea. Yeah.
Nice. How much is that one?
That is 10.
10. Okay.
Yeah, a lot of from Germany.
Yeah. And of course, golf clubs. We're in a golf neighborhood. Callaway. How much are the clubs?
Well, the Callaway, the drivers,
Yeah.
5 and I think it's a 5 and a 3, right?
Yeah, it's a 3, yeah.
And then the 5 is 15
Okay.
for each
Yeah.
of the driver. If you take the whole set, it's 40.
40 for the whole set?
Yeah. Thank you. Oh, thanks for coming. Oh yeah, that is a Mexican.
How much is your Puma bag?
10.
10?
They are new.
Yeah.
The ones in the...
I think I'm gonna do 5 on this.
Okay.
I gotta figure out where I can buy the little cassettes, but...
What's it?
The little cassettes for it. I gotta try to find them.
Yeah.
See if I can buy them.
Probably. Oh, I thought I had it in my hand. Everybody's bringing big bills today.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
You have a nice day.
You too.
Yeah, I don't have to do anything. But after my lunch, I did nothing.
I know, but you got My son is dying to know. He sees that camera and he's curious as to what you do. Do you do some?
I do exactly what he thinks I might do. I record stuff and I put it on YouTube.
That's what he was wondering what you do.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just go yard sailing and I film it for when I find good stuff. So
Oh, awesome.
people watch anything.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, we watch that.
Yeah, see?
You are absolutely right.
Diamond earrings, huh?
And we love yard sales.
Well, we got them inside.
Wow.
Stuff tends to walk off sometimes.
Yeah. That's crazy. Now that's a classic right there.
Oh, yeah.
That's cool. How much you trying to get on this purse? Oh, 20? Is that 20?
You don't yet. I'm paying attention to what's on it.
Oh, okay. A buck? Okay. $2?
Yeah.
$2. I'll probably take that. Let me keep looking. Digitalize your life. How much is this little photo converter? $5? You do these 3 for $10?
Yep, sure will.
You
You want a
5,
bag
4,
or a
and
box?
2. I got it.
Okay, I got your change.
$10 back.
Wherever you got it.
Yeah, I think I got it.
Well, I might have lied.
You got a 10?
I do.
Or 5. I got some ones. You got a 5. Wait, I got 10.
Where do you get all your stuff? Just collected it over the years?
Yeah,
that happens.
Yeah. Some come from me, some come from my mom's, and
Yeah.
that's some of my sisters. So
Well, it's a prime spot to have a yard sale.
it really is.
Right in
Good
the
traffic area.
yeah. All right, guys. Thank you.
Yeah, NC Picker, right?
Yeah. Check it out. Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Okay,
Thanks. Hey everyone, thanks for coming yard sailing with me today. I'm not at my house, so I can't go over the items, and show you them, but I will pop up some images of them on the screen while I talk about them. I listed most of them on eBay already. I'm traveling, but I did take photos before I left, and I listed everything I could on eBay. At these sales, I picked up, at the first one, these were Friday sales. At the first one, I picked up a little cordless phone set. I think it's Panasonic. I want to test those before I list them, so I haven't listed them yet. But it looked like the value for the set was about $20 a phone, and I got 3 of them, all with their base stations. So hopefully we can get 60 bucks or so out of that. At that same sale, I grabbed a Pioneer Woman bowl set, and it looks like that's going for around 30 bucks. That's already listed, so I'll show you that listing in this video. Then I went to the sale that had pretty high prices, but she did have a cool little Sony micro cassette recorder. Those can be worth a lot. The one I got was not that great. I spent, I think, $5, so I spent a lot on it, and it's only worth 20 to 30. I'm gonna list it high, and hopefully it sells for a little bit higher. since I'm traveling, I'm not in a rush for it to move right now. I can't ship anything, so I set my store to vacation mode. And then the last one, I picked up a little film converter. It converts pictures to digital and things like that. That one's surprised me. It's only worth about 20 bucks. I got a little NC State handbag that I listed for around 30, and it came with a wallet too. And let's see. Oh yeah, and I got a soldering iron, which is worth basically nothing. But all in all, you know, I didn't spend a lot. I think I spent like 20 bucks or something, 20, 30 bucks, and I should get over 100 back, 150 back. But yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, check out my other videos. I'll keep pushing them out as long as yard sales are going on. Thanks again, guys. Bye.